From hands that weave stories to hearts that preserve them. The MÄVINN collection is crafted by artisans employed by social businesses across 5 nations. In India, these social businesses empower artisans of Rajasthan and Tamil Nadu. With every piece, MÄVINN helps to keep age-old traditional handcraft skills alive. And social businesses provide jobs to women from rural areas where opportunities are scarce. Discover the social business made collection. MÄVINN, now available at IKEA India.